how to fix this problem which says unable to install Scarlet on your iPhone. So this occurs when you press this and Scarlet is not able to install on your device. So this usually happens when you try to install Scarlet from this website. So as you can see this website, this problem usually occurs when you try to install Scarlet only using your phone. I would not recommend you to do that. I will recommend you to use a computer in order to install Scarlet on your phone. There will be a link in the description or in the comments which will help you to install Scarlet using a computer. So just check it out. However, if you don't want to make things complex and you don't want to use a computer in order to install Scarlet, there is a way to fix this and it will work for most of you guys. So but it may not work for some people, that I don't know why it doesn't work for some individual, but most of you it will work. So the thing is, you have to do, if you want to make this work, if you want to install Scarlet without a computer, just go to your settings, and this is a quick fix. Go to general and come all the way down, and here you see, now you just have to reset your phone. Before that, make sure you have the backups. Don't blame me, okay? If you lose something, don't blame me. Just back up your things, just reset your phone, and again your phone will be like brand new, and then you try to install it again with this website. Try to install it again, but before that, make sure, before doing this reset, make sure you delete this application and you restart the process. Go to this website, restart the process, and it will work for most of you guys. All right, but if it doesn't work for some of you guys, if it doesn't work for you, then let me know in the comments. I will try to help you guys. So this is how you do it, but I won't recommend you to install Scarlet using your phone. I will recommend you to use a computer, because if you use a computer, this error doesn't occurs. Okay, just use a computer if you can, and if you cannot use a computer, try to reset your phone and then start the process. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.